Hey, welcome back to Coder Squad. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial part of every HTML document, the head tag. Stick around because understanding what goes inside this tag is key to optimizing your web page. Have you ever wondered where critical information about your web page, like the title, character encoding, and linked style sheets, is stored? That's right, it's all in the head tag. Let's start with the basics. The head tag is like the backstage manager of your web page. It doesn't display content directly, but it's where you manage everything behind the scenes. The title tag is the star of the show in the head tag. It defines the title of your web page, the text that appears on the browser tab. Learn how to craft an effective and descriptive title. Introduce meta tags within the head tag. These include meta charset equals UTF-8 for character encoding, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0 for responsive design, and meta name equals description content equals your page description here for search engines. Show how to link external style sheets using the link tag within the head section. This is crucial for styling your web page consistently and maintaining clean, organized code. Briefly touch on internal styles and scripts using the style and script tags within the head section. While external files are often preferred, these can be useful for small-scale projects. Discuss adding a favicon using link rel equals icon ref equals favicon.ico type equals image/xicon. It's a small detail, but a favicon can enhance your website's branding. Introduce the link rel equals canonical ref equals your underscore canonical underscore URL tag for search engine optimization, SEO. It helps search engines understand the preferred version of your content, especially useful for avoiding duplicate content issues. Explain the base tag and how it can set a base URL for all the relative URLs in your document. This can be handy when working with multiple folders or domains. Emphasize that the head tag is where you set the stage for your web page. It's where you define crucial information for browsers, search engines, and even users. There you have it, a breakdown of the head tag in HTML. Understanding how to use it effectively can greatly enhance your web development skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!